My name is Becky, aka the Mocha Foodie Gardener and Rise Gardens Ambassador. With school just around the corner, I thought I'd share with you a few ideas of what I like to do to take the guesswork out of lunchtime and snack time. A few tips that I like to keep in mind while I'm doing this is thinking small, think outside the box, and most of all, just make it fun. Now, I find that when I give my kiddos small, bite-sized pieces of food to eat, they tend to finish their lunch because they aren't overwhelmed with so much that's in their lunchbox. Small pieces of fruit like grapes or blueberries and veggies like carrots and celery sticks are perfect for doing this. I also like to utilize these cute little cookie cutters and cut out shapes of their cheese and even bread for their sandwiches. Now, thinking of sandwiches, we're going to think outside the box and think of alternatives for that. I like sandwich kebabs. They are such a great option. You can get short kebab sticks or toothpicks, put cheese, veggies, meat, you name it. Another great alternative is breakfast for lunch. You can use pancakes, eggs, casseroles, and put them in little cupcake tins, and you can just grab them on the go. They're very easy for packing. And these are really great nut-free options. Also, you want to make it fun in addition to using the cookie cutters by using little fun, colorful silicone baking cups. These guys are really great. They're perfect for storage and they add a lot of nice colors to it. Another thing is get your kids involved. They love to cook. It's so much fun getting their hands dirty. They get to learn how to measure things and put things together. My little one loves to pick her own fruits and veggies from my rice garden and add it to her lunch. One of her favorite items is making these little pizza bagels. You add your cheese and different types of sauces and pepperonis and seasonings. You put it in the oven for about 10 minutes and they are loving life. They're perfect. They're quick on the go for after school or at lunch. And there you have it. A few little tips to help you take the guesswork out of lunchtime and snack time. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care.